Welcome to our Language Cert Young Learners ESOL exams. Today, we'll be sharing with you useful tips that should help you prepare your learners for their FOX writing exams. First of all, a brief reminder of its key features and samples of the writing exam. The writing component of FOX consists of two parts. Part 1 requires candidates to write 3 sentences on a given topic about themselves or their daily lives, while Part 2 asks them to look at a picture and produce 3 sentences about a scene from daily life. Candidates are expected to convey meaning in a simple way by using the correct spelling of frequently used words, a range of vocabulary set at pre-A1 level, as well as basic grammar and punctuation correctly. Part 1, for example, may ask candidates to write 3 sentences about their home, just like the task on this slide, but candidates may be required to also write 3 sentences about their bedroom or their school. An example is always provided to guide candidates. Referring to Part 2 now, candidates may be asked to look at the picture of a living room similar to the visual on this slide and produce 3 sentences about it. And now, a few tips for teachers that should turn out to be useful while you are preparing your learners for their FOX writing exam. You may initially wish to guide learners to produce similar sentences by providing some support, for example, keywords or model sentences on the board. Ensure learners have sufficient practice until their exam day and refer to the vocabulary list for topics to be expected. Although this part of the exam relates to writing, for further practice, you can also encourage learners to produce similar sentences orally. Stress the importance of correct spelling and ask learners to always check their sentences. Remind them they do not need to write more than required and that they will not be awarded extra marks for it. Throughout their practice period, encourage them to write as clearly, as legibly as they can. Make sure they possess the required language when setting similar tasks. Refer to the vocabulary list and/or the grammar syllabus for details. While practicing, you may wish to be their resource center and show you are available at any moment. Homework can certainly help consolidate writing skills and make sure learners have had enough practice before you set similar tasks. Foster a supportive atmosphere in class where they can feel comfortable, and do remind them that mistakes are a natural part of learning the language. We hope that these tips will prove useful while you are training your learners. Don't forget to also refer to the support material we have created for you and for your learners. Thank you.